channel. Welcome back to episode 12 of Learning Bharatanatyam Basics. In the previous video, we had learnt Adavu. Today we are going to start Adavu. If you are watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Saishri. I am an engineer by profession and a dancer by passion. And I make videos related to dance and little bit about my life here and there. Kattu or Adavu is quite similar to our Adavu. In Adavu, we are going to do tai, da, ta, tai, ta, ha. Whereas in Adavu, we are going to place our feet behind the opposite feet. It's quite simple. I will show it once to you all. So we are going to start from here. Kitta, ta, ka, tai, yum, da, ta, tai, kit, ta, ha. This is very simple as Adavu, and we have to give a little attention to certain things which I am going to break down. So when you are going to sit in a Aremandi and place your feet behind your another feet, make sure you don't place it far. So what happens is you tend to keep it far. The moment you keep it far, you tend to twist like this and it's going to hurt your knee. So make sure you place your feet behind, very close to your your other feet, and sit in Aremandi. When you place it far, you probably can't even try sitting in Aremandi. It's going to hurt and also look very bad. So we are going to place it just behind our feet and bring it back. We'll do it once. Tai, yum, da, ta, tai, kit, ta, ha. For hand, we are going to hold Tripataka in Natyaramba. We are going to sit in Aremandi, and when we place our feet behind, we are going to bring right hand in front of us. So it's going to be like tai, and then take it back to Natyaramba. Yum. The left side. Dat, tat, tai, kit, ta, ha. It's very simple and very similar to our first one. So to Adavu, let's do it together. Kitta, ta, ka, tai, yum, da, ta, tai, kit, ta, ha, tai, yum, da, ta, ta, ka, ta, ti, gin, na, to. Remember the key points that I have mentioned. That is, don't place your feet far. Also, what we had discussed in Adavu, while doing the metta, basically, you're not supposed to get up from your Aremandi. So you're going to stay in your Aremandi and then do Adavu or Adavu. And also, imagine holding a flag or a pole or something. You're not going to move it, right? You're going to stay in this position and then do tai, da, ta, tai, kit, ta, ha. Practice this and let's continue with Adavu, second one. Adavu, second one is, let's just say it's 3 count, like the dit tai, how we do dit tai. If you haven't watched the video, I'm going to link the video or playlist for the entire series here. You can go check those videos and come back. So in the dit tai, we are going to have 3 counts, that is dit, dit, tai. Dit, dit, tai. In Kattu Adavu second one, we are going to follow a similar pattern, that is dit, dit, tai. Dit, dit, tai. Dit, dit, tai. Dit, dit, tai. Let's learn this. In the first Kattu Adavu, we are placing our leg behind and then bringing it back to our first position, that is our Aremaldi. In the second one, we are going to place our feet behind and then hit our left leg and then come back to the first position. For hand, we are going to stay in Natyaramba, holding three pataka in our hands, and do very similar to what we did before, that is dit, dit, tai. Dit, dit, tai. Dit, dit, tai. Dit, dit, tai. Let's do both Kattu Adavu first one and Kattu Adavu second one together. Kitta, ta, ka, tai, yum, rat, ta, tai, kit, ta, ka, tai, yum, rat, ta, ta, ka, ta, di, gin, na, to. Dit, dit, tai. 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 Tatti, dinna, to. Please practice these Adavus and we'll see you in the next class. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Namaste.